Republican candidate Donald Trump did not meet PM Modi during his brief New York visit, as both were occupied with separate events and rallies. During a 55-hour trip to New York, PM Modi secured significant outcomes in bilateral and multilateral domains, enhancing India's global presence, according to Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar met with G4 counterparts, reaffirming the commitment to reform the UN Security Council during the 79th UN General Assembly. Prime Minister Modi has returned to New Delhi after a successful three-day US visit, engaging in crucial talks with leaders on the sidelines of the Quad and UN summits. Iran's Foreign Minister Sayyan Abbas Araghchi is prepared to start new negotiations on the 2015 nuclear deal and lifting sanctions, if other parties are willing. During a meeting in New York, Prime Minister Modi assured President Zelensky of India's commitment to a peaceful resolution of the Ukraine conflict through diplomacy and dialogue. Israel's airstrikes in Lebanon have resulted in 356 deaths, including 24 children, escalating conflict with Hezbollah and prompting international condemnation. Prime Minister Modi met Vietnamese President Tu Lam at the UN summit, emphasizing the need for closer cooperation in trade, culture, and defense. India and 14 member countries launched the Finance Network to develop supply chains for critical minerals essential for clean energy technologies during the UN General Assembly. Prime Minister Narendra Modi declared at the UN that India will work for global prosperity and human rights, stressing sustainable development and cooperation to bridge the digital divide. Prime Minister Modi emphasized India's principle of One Earth, One Family, One Future and offered expertise in poverty eradication and digital infrastructure for global prosperity.